What's good? I'm back with a video. Actually, it's my first video, so I'm not even back. Dude, it's late. I'm gonna get late. Y'all gonna see. But right now, let's grab a couple of essential sneakers. I'm gonna show y'all what I grabbed. First, I had to grab them because it's getting kind of bold outside. And kind of chilly out there, chilly nose, but I had to grab them. Cause it's getting cold. I had to grab them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you're from Philly, you know what they say. Not the Yachtas.
My man booked up, not the Yachtas. Not the Yachtas. She did fuck you, bitch, on the Yachtas.
Had to go to Yachtas. Had to go to Yachtas. Yes, sir. Had to. Yes, sir. Had to. My next joint, like these right here, these are essential. From Philly, you gotta have a pair. You gotta have a pair. If you want to visit Philly, grab you a pair before you slide, cause you gotta grab you a pair. And yo, matter of fact, tell him hit me up. Hit me up, New Balance. Hit me up. Had to. I mean, got a pair of one right now, but I had to get another pair. Had to. Next Johns, these are my favorite grabs of today, but I didn't grab no heat today, but I had to grab just a little something. These right here, look at that. These Johns is crazy, like tough. But right now I'm gonna go get packed. I'm gonna keep y'all tuned and see what I wear. I'll have fun. First outfit, this is my airplane fit right here. Y'all seen this this brand Heartless. I think it was in Sim Santana video. Yeah, Sim Santana video. And, I followed him on Instagram, hit him up. This joint actually felt real good, so go cop up. Second outfit I'm doing SMA. Shout out to Sakai and doing this thing over there at SMA. Yeah. Show y'all. Next, we got my man Ether. Yo. Honestly, he been snapping and I've been copying every single shirt. So this right here is my favorite outfit probably. But look at this one. This right here is my last fit. I might just put another one just because, but this right here is Torture. If y'all don't know, go check him out. He had a lot of rappers out here around. I know if you're from New York, I know you know him. But yeah, go check him out.